that would be good. Mm-hmm. Heck yeah, boy.
Uncle Bill, what the heck are you doing?
Good Lord. Man, I'm over here daydreaming. You scared the crap out of me.
What you daydreaming about?
Man, I was thinking about some sushi. You know.
Sushi?
Mm-hmm.
You got any good place around here to go?
Not really. Nothing nowhere really pops off the top of my head anyway.
Well, you know, I can probably make some, but you know, we ain't got no fish or no rice. And I don't feel like going to the store.
Well, we still got plenty of stuff in the fridge.
Yeah. Think we got some steak.
I know we got some chicken.
I think there's some sliced ham in there too. A little bit of vegetables.
Sounding kind of like a roll to me.
I think we need to make us a hillbilly sushi roll.
Yeah, let's do that.
Well, let's get to go.
Let's go.
Welcome back to Crazy Hillbilly Cooking and Adventures. I'm Crazy Hillbilly.
I'm Uncle Bill. We are out here today because, well, frankly, we got hungry. As you saw in the opening clip, we thought about doing a little bit something crazy.
Hillbilly sushi roll.
That's right, baby. Y'all, we're going to start today by literally just butterflying out some chicken and pounding it out thin. Just butterflying it out and realizing this chicken was going to be too much, so we've cut it in half. We're going to pound it out thin because we're making layers in what we're doing today. All right, my friends, now that you've got it butterflied, we've gone ahead and wrapped in plastic wrap so you can pound it out thin. It keeps it more strengthened. Crazy Hillbilly, you got anything better than this little bitty thing?
I think I might have something.
All right, good.
You think that'll do?
Yeah, I think I can probably beat some meat with this. All right. And then you got to do the same thing with your steak. Okay. Crazy Hillbilly, I don't know about you, but this is a much better use for that hammer than what we've been using it for.
Yeah, it's a good meat beater.
Yes, we do enjoy it.
So after it's all been hammered and tenderized, I like to roll it out a little thinner with a rolling pin. Something about like that. Then we'll do the same thing to the chicken.
We're gonna have to get another cutting board. We'll be back with you in a minute. Lord, if he can do this for me, what y'all think about him and some bread or some biscuit dough?
Hey, we can do that too, some dumplings.
Ooh. We're gonna put this out there right now. We're gonna be putting out quite a few videos. We finally got called up from our regular job so we can get back to this. With that being said, we are gonna be calling out some YouTube reactors. So just stay tuned and you'll see exactly what we mean.
Let's just go to the chase. Uncle Roger, we're coming for you.
We got the perfect fried rice to show you.
All right, guys, so one of the things we're gonna do is we're gonna have to put a compound butter on the chicken portion of this hillbilly sushi. So what we have here is some butter, rosemary, thyme, and about 2 cloves of garlic. We're gonna get that on the heat. And we're gonna add some seasoning to this. This is a mix I mixed up myself. It is salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of marjoram. All right, folks, we sauteed our garlic, rosemary, and thyme all together with our butter. Got all that flavor infused. Now we're going to mix this in with some cold butter so it's a nice spreadable, pasty consistency. What are you doing, Uncle Bill?
I'm making a snack. It's 2 hours until this food will actually be done. I'm getting a little hungry.
Better make enough for me. All right, folks, we're back at the table here. We got our butter all mixed up to a creamy consistency. And we're gonna start putting this thing together.
Absolutely. Wow, Crazy Hillbilly's over here getting this all set up for a nice little 2-hour cook. Is how long it really does take. We just want to put this out there. Uncle Roger, we're not Rachel Ray, and we're definitely not Jamie Oliver. We are absolutely coming for you.
And we know what we're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes.
Depends on the day and how adventurous we are.
Now this seasoning here is just the same we've been using. It's salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and marjoram. Just kind of mixed up and made it myself.
Y'all can see we laid out a whole pack of bacon. We're gonna wrap this entire bowl of goodness, this sushi per se, in all sorts of just succulent flavor.
We got our steak down, we got it seasoned. Make sure you season all sides of everything. We got a layer of seasoning down. We're gonna put our chicken.
If Crazy Hillbilly can figure out which way that chicken goes now.
Lay our chicken out. Again, we're gonna season it again with our seasoning.
Mmm.
And then on this layer,
Butter time.
we're gonna put some butter in here. A little bit thinner than what I was going for, but hey, it's warm out here in the sunlight. It's just, but it'll work.
Sure is nice after a long winter to be able to be out here like this.
Sure is. I can't wait for some fishing.
Amen.
Speaking of fishing, we got a charter coming up on Lake Hartwell on the Georgia-South Carolina border.
Absolutely. We're going to go out and have a great time.
After the chicken and the butter, we're going to put in some zucchini in the middle. We got some yellow squash. I'm going to put a couple of sprigs of this green onion in there. And then what else we got there?
Black Forest ham over there. We've got cheese.
Oh, Lord have mercy. What have I done?
Uh-oh. He got ahead of himself.
What have I done, folks? Like I said, sometimes we know what we're doing. We got to put our layer of ham in there first. This is a uncured Black Forest ham. Lay it out in there. Just let's go one more. About like that. Then we go back in with those vegetables. About 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. Gonna add a little bit more of that butter in there. Our seasoning. Then we got some pepper jack cheese. And we got a 4-blend Mexican cheese.
This is not taco seasoned cheese. This is just a great blend of cheese that we use on a lot of stuff.
All right, so back to what we were saying. Well, we're gonna roll, while we roll this up, we'll tell you, we are going on a bass fishing charter on Lake Hartwell with Electric City Charters and Motorsports. Roth will be our captain. He is a school teacher, and that's what he does in his off time. And he's been gracious enough to invite us out on a trip.
and we cannot wait. And we can't wait to share it with you.
Roll this up as tight as we can. Just like a sushi roll. That's why we're calling this Hillbilly Sushi.
You come in on both sides of the bacon with toothpicks. Just until it has time to sear, and then you take them back out. Y'all, this bass trip is not the only adventures we have planned this summer. We just had to wait for the weather to start cooperating. It didn't cooperate with us for work, which is the reason it's taken us so long to get back to getting videos out to you. It also it didn't cooperate for filming outdoors either, which is what we like to do.
We found out that even though it's pretty, if that wind's blowing, man, it messes up the audio something bad.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna put this on the grill. We're gonna do something awesome to the top of this after it's done, so please watch to the end.
All right, my friends, it's that time. Little reveal.
This has been on at 350 for 2 hours.
It's absolutely beautiful caramelized bacon on there. What do you think, Hillbilly? Should we split this thing open and see how it looks?
Oh no, not yet.
Oh, I forgot.
This is a sushi roll. We gotta dress it up. All right, guys. As tradition for a sushi roll, because this is Hillbilly Sushi Roll, we gotta top this with a topper. And we're using our Hillbilly candy. If you guys don't know how to make this yet, you gotta go back and watch our first video. This is absolutely good on everything. We'll put a layer of Hillbilly candy right over the top of this thing with some of those onions.
Oh yeah. Hillbilly, I think it's about time to make another batch. We are about running out.
This is it.
Oh no.
It is time. Y'all saw our first video of the Hillbilly candy. It was our first video. We were still learning. So if you think we should do a new one, let us know in the comments. We'll be gladly to remake a video when we make a new batch.
Absolutely. What you got right there?
Now, it's not a sponsor or anything, but this Melinda's Black Truffle Hot Sauce is absolutely amazing. And just drizzle that right over. There we go. What do you think we split this thing open and see how she looks?
Yes, sir. Oh man, look at that. Oh, come on, Hillbilly. Let's get some of that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my goodness. It looks so stinking good.
Slice it up just like you would a sushi roll. Of course, y'all know, we want y'all to know, we know this ain't really sushi.
Susu!
All right, Junior. You want to come on over and get you a bite of this as well? Oh, look at that right there. Oh, that looks so good.
Beautiful. My goodness. I don't know that I want regular sushi anymore.
That's some good stuff right there. That butter. Got it all juicy on the inside.
Just salivating.
Crispy bacon on the outside. Sauteed up some of the leftover veggies and some butter. Guys, it's almost Easter, and if we can get our hands on some rabbit, our plan is to do Easter bunny soup, and we're going to have an Easter egg hunt. And if we can't get the rabbit, we will cook something, maybe some braised lamb if we can get it, something. But in the background in that video, we will be randomly hiding an Easter egg, and we're not sure how many different locations we're going to hide it yet. We'll let you know in the beginning of the video. We'll also let you know what the prize is going to be for the first person that leaves in the comments for all the locations of the egg yard. And we're working with some locals, businesses, and hopefully we'll get some kind of giveaway, some kind of item from them. If not, Hillbilly Cooking Adventures will do a gift card or something for the winner.
Yeah, we just thank you for always watching our videos. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you want to do, what you'd like to see us do, if you'd like to come do something with us. We're always up to collaborating with anybody at any time to do a video with.
Absolutely. And guys, we're going to get back to enjoying this meal, and we'll see y'all next time.
Y'all have a great one.